friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to English UP wala YouTube channel. Guys, in this video I am going to show you the environment of my village. Actually at present time I am in a garden. There are a very neat and clean area in this garden. And now let me show you some children who are playing there, and I want to show them. And here 3 children are playing, and it's very fantastic scene. Tejas is calling his father, and there is one dog sitting beside them, and they are making earthen home. They are making home, and Tejas is sitting between the 2 lines of dust. And after looking them, I am feeling my own childhood, because we also used to play like them. So after seeing this scene, I am feeling very happy, and I hope guys you have also played like them. And in the village area, this is the very common things that people or children play like them. And there are many trees, mango trees, bale trees, there are tamarind, imli, and now and guys, let's talk to the children. And now I would like to ask them, and now I would like to talk to them. Hello boys. Hello children. What's your name?
My name is Pratap.
Please speak loudly. Please bolo.
My name is Rudra Pratap.
And what are you doing? What are you doing, Rudra? बताओ, सही बढ़ के बताओ आराम से. What are
मैं घर बना रहा हूँ.
इसको just try to speak English. Rudra. What are you doing? Hello, Yuvraj. Yuvraj. What's your name? नाम तुम्हारा नाम कहाँ है? इधर देखो, इधर देखो युवराज, तुम्हारा नाम कहाँ है? क्या नाम है? युवराज. ऋषि प्रताप. क्या कर रहे हो? क्या कर रहे हो?
घर बनावत है.
What are you doing? घर बना रहे हो?
हाँ.
And now meet the very funny and fantastic kids. Hello kids. क्या नाम है? तेजस. क्या नाम है?
तेजस.
क्या कर रहे हो?
हम घर बनाते हैं.
तेजस इज मेकिंग होम. एंड फॉर होम किसके लिए बना रहे हो? युवराज नहीं बनाते आप?
हाँ.
ओके. एंड तेजस खाना खा ली कि नहीं अभी?
खा लिया.
What all have you taken? क्या क्या खाए हो?
सब्जी रोटी.
And युवराज, have you taken food or not? खाना खा लिए कि नहीं? बोलो. खा लिए. क्या खाए थे? खाना खाए थे. अरे खाना तो खाए थे, खाना में क्या खाए थे? सब्जी होती. अच्छा, ओके. सो आर यू प्लेइंग नाउ? आर यू प्लेइंग? खेलत है? ओके. सो गाइस, these kids are very nice, and they are playing with one another, and they are enjoying their life, because this is the time when a boy and when a person enjoy too much. And someone is plucking the mango, and he's not fear of any hurt. And there also standing a witch, and Guys are very busy in their play, in their game. I hope they are collecting the earth. And oh, क्या कर रहे हो? आँख में पड़ जाएगा, आँख में पड़ जाएगा. And they are enjoying. So guys, I hope you are enjoying them very well, and you are also learning English with me, because if you are watching this video, it's mean that you are listening me properly, and after listening you can understand the words, and you can improve your English just after listening my videos, and while watching this fantastic video and interesting video. So guys, this is the very nice way to learn English, because while learning English you are also enjoying the video, and I'm trying to show you the game of the children, the game of the kids. Tejas, पेड़ से उतरो, चढ़ो मत, उतरो. Get down from the tree. And Tejas is just trying to climb up the tree, but I think he should not climb up. Tejas, उतर जाओ. उतरो उतरो उतरो, नहीं भी जाओगे. And now he is coming down. So Yuvraj and Rudra, let's go to तेजस. आओ चलो चलो तेजस के पास चलो. चलो युवराज, चलो चलो तेजस के पास चलो. देखो तेजस क्या कर रहे हैं. And now we are going towards Tejas, and I want to show you them, and there is a swing, and someone is swinging, and this is the village area, guys. And in village area the scene are very fantastic, and there is the field, and there is too good greenery, and there is garden in front of you, and I am standing beside the garden, and this is the field, that is the maize. This one is maize, and this is the teak tree. I think this is the teak tree, but I am not sure. And here Rudra and Yuvraj are sitting together, and Tejas is trying to climb up, but I think he should not climb up. Tejas, don't climb up the tree, otherwise you will fall, okay? चढ़ना नद गिरवा घाप देना. हाँ छोटिया लाग चढ़वा तू, गिरवा तू लागियो करे. Yuvraj, don't climb. Hey, hello, don't beat him, otherwise I will beat you. उतरो उतरो, चलो चलो घर चलो. Let's go to home. आराम से साथ चलो ना. Let's go to home. And the children are running towards home, and I am also going with them. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and you also understood my words. Actually today I am feeling giddy, as well as I have headache. That's why I am not able to speak properly. So sometimes I take too much time to speak. So my dear friends, I will bring some more video like this video, so that you may enjoy with me and with children. if you are watching my video from other state of India, or maybe you are watching this video from any other country from out of India, so I think now you have come to know that in India there are too much greenery. Properly, I am speaking from Uttar Pradesh, UP state in India, district Ambedkar Nagar, and this is tractor, and tractor is carrying the junk on trolley, and someone is wishing us bye. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this video too much, and let's complete our video and we will meet in other video. Till then, take care and goodbye. And actually we'll meet soon. Tejas, let's go to home. Rudra, Yuvraj, let's finish our game and play again. Let's go to home, Tejas. So guys, we'll meet in another video. Till then, take care and goodbye.